fast, speeding all the time, yeah. Cartiers, black on black, flashes all the time, yeah. See a bit, who she with, think she might be mine, yeah. She like giving strokes and shit, told her get in line, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean, I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be taking my box braid out after 45 days. Not only am I taking it out, but I'm also getting straight backs. However, not only have I been treating my scalp with castor oil and giving it constant massages, but I've also been maintaining my tapered hairline. Not only has my new growth gotten longer, but my tapered hairline is long enough to braid, my nigga. And this is the final result. As you can see, my new growth has grown tremendously and my length has gotten tremendously longer. Plus I have way more thickness in my hair. This is due to not only cutting my split ends, but also deep massaging with black castor oil. Now I'm about to go get my hair done and my tapered hairline done. So stay tuned. Yay! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean, I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be revealing the full straight backs I was telling you about and my brand new tapered hairline. And yes, my nigga, he didn't speak English, so you know my shit is crispy. When the barber was cutting my hair, I specifically told him, bro, I want the sides to be tapered, but I still want the front to be black. The reason why I said I want the front to be black is because if he shaved too much in the front, it could look really light. It not only could be difficult to see your hairline, but sometimes it be making niggas' foreheads look way bigger. I be looking at niggas like, yo, where's your hairline? Your hairline is gonna look 50 times better. 3, 2, 1. You feel me, bruh? As you can see, my tapered hairline is perfectly shaped up. As you can see, my parts are even too. And my hairline looks pretty good. As you can see, he even shaped up my eyebrows. Black castor oil is 100%. It literally fixed my tapered hairline. I finally reached my goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I would like to thank everybody. And everybody keep asking me,
yo, Shad, where you been? What you been doing? You used to repost every day on this channel. What the fuck is going on?
That's because I have 2 YouTube channels now. For those who don't know, I have a reaction channel called CHRISREACTS. If you're not subscribed, we at 200 subscribers and over 20,000 channel views. Click the link below for lit reactions and longer videos. I react to videos up to an hour on that channel. But anyway, like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bro. Yeah.